Hello there, I'm another Magento dev, and this video is a thank you to the YouTube community and the people who have supported my channel over the last year or so. And I had a big break in between, but I'm currently looking at it and I've got 999 subscribers, so I'm likely to get to 1,000, I would have hoped. So for that and for your support, I'm going to do a quick 3-minute video on how to get a custom Magento maintenance page. And as I say, as a thank you for supporting the channel. Also, I have got plans for this channel in the future to try and grow it, to try and grow the community. I'm hoping to do some live streams, more tutorials, more videos, more content, basically Magento related and sort of web related. You know, as I say, thank you very much. Let's get into it. Right then, let's do this as quick as possible. So the page we're going to do is a custom maintenance page. So it's the page that shows in production mode when you run bin Magento maintenance enable. To see the results of this work and the folders we're going to be editing and the code we're going to be editing and folders we're going to be the pages we're going to be adding, you need to switch your local development environment to production mode, because then if you're in developer mode you don't get a 503 error, you get another type of error, you get like a bootstrap error. So first of all, do those two things: put it in maintenance mode and switch to production mode, whichever comes first. Production mode, then maintenance mode. Right, and that being said, it's dead easy to do. So the folders you want to be working in, pub errors, right? And in there you've already got your default folder. Now this is really good, sort of. There it is. There's the one that we're talking about. It's the 503. But you can. It's a really good guide as to what you can edit in here. But to keep it dead simple, all we need to do is we need to add a custom folder, and in this case I'm actually adding a folder called custom, but it can be called whatever you like. And in there you want a 503 page, so you could just copy this one over, and then you could make your wrong one. Don't copy the PHP one. The one you need to copy is the PHTML one. Okay. And then in there you've got, obviously you can change this information. Now I've got something that I'm just going to paste in there, and I might actually put it up on a gist. It's just one that I grabbed off the internet that I bastardized and made into a holding page. So let me just grab that. So it is this one. So we'll copy this over here, and it's just a version with a few extra bits and bobs in it, and we'll show you it at the end. Right, so that's now in the custom folder. Now we need to point Magento, as always, to the customized folder via this extension. So the best way to do it, or the simplest way to do it, is just to rename this, which is the local XML, which you'll find in your errors folder, and then just change your skin to custom. You can leave the rest of it in there if you want, you can take it out. That's like the simplest way. And if we just flush cache, and then we'll jump on the front end. So the folder we are actually, there we go, the page we're actually replacing is this one. And there we go, we're showing our new page, and it's as simple as that. So yeah, I hope this has been useful. Thanks everybody for getting me to 1,000 subscribers.